Hi everybody, it's Reagan here at Gateway Toyota, and today I'm here with our shop foreman, Doug Dixon. Our customers have been wondering when they should change their oil in their Toyotas.
So one of the most economical and important things you can do to maintain the legendary reliability of your Toyota is to follow the scheduled maintenance, particularly with oil changes. When most people think about oil changes, they think of lubrication, but oil does so much more than that in our engines. Not only does it clean and cool the engine, but on modern engines it's used for hydraulic purposes such as timing chain tensioning and variable valve timing. On Toyota models 2015 and earlier, Toyota recommends that you change the oil every 6 months or 8,000 kilometers. Thanks to advancements in modern engine design and powertrain management, that interval has been increased now to 1 year, 16,000. If you have any questions regarding oil changes or any other maintenance on your Toyota model, just visit us at gatewaytoyota.ca under the service tab and you'll see the maintenance schedule. If you have any questions after that, we're always here for you. Give us a call at 780-439-3939.